formation, All-Kings versus AJ Funeral. Nakasent na po ang entablado. Ball is up! First possession manggagaling para sa panig ng AJ. Montes puts it up. No good. Montes pa rin sa ilalim. Ball possession for Team All-Kings. Ang inaabang matchup ng sambayanan. OJ Albiar may taman. Pass to Patente. Patente didiskarte on the moves, looking for Abarientos. Same ball. Last touch for Montes. 15 seconds to shoot. Patente inbound the ball, looking for Simugan. Baseline 3. Malamig pa si Simugan. Ito na panik ng AJ Funeral. Sid Fuego against their teammate from SK League. Nasa dutan, here comes Smoke. Pass to Albiar. Albiar ng taman. Dribbling the ball. Behind the back pass to Simugan. Back to Albiar. Susubok sa tres. Doesn't work. Abarientos. That's good for Abarientos. First 2 points of the game. Coming from jersey number 28, Abarientos. Single. 15 seconds to shoot. Ito na panik ng AJ Funeral. Sid Fuego, stop and pump. Too strong. Montes. Pero minakuha ang foul. First team foul. First attempt, that's good for Montes. Ikalawang pusto for jersey number 5. Pasok pa rin niya, 2 of 2. Official score is all 2. First set of the game. Albiar, may tama na bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Albiar, Simugan for 3. Doesn't work. Here comes that guy. Jersey number 11, Sid Fuego. Jersey number 28, and that's good. Ito na panik ng All-Kings, Patente. Didiskarte on the moves. Looking for Abarientos. Kicks it out. That's good for Abarientos. Another dead na of the game. Second dead na katid sa inyo ng San Miguel. Habang tumatagal, lalong sumasarap. Sid Fuego, guarded by Simugan. Looking for that guy. Pass to Siban. 10 to shoot. Siban, didiskarte. Step back 3. Bam! 3 points para kay Siban. Here comes Patente. Stop and bump. Babawi sa 3. Malakas lang. Here comes Sid Fuego. Is stepping on the line. Ball possession. Same ball for All-Kings. Here comes Albiar. Sa 3. Short. Here comes Montes. Pass to Siban. Siban, didiskarte. Attacking the baseline. Looking for that guy. Kicks it out. No good. Here comes Montes. Offensive rebound to Siban. The jersey number 5. Bam! Who's number 11? All for jersey number 9, Albiar. That is first personal foul, second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Sid Fuego to Montes to Siban on the moves. Nasin to Taniwong. 10 to shoot. 3 to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Puts it up. No good. Here comes Abarientos. Pass to Albiar. Looking for Patente. Patente to Simugan. Simugan on the moves. That's good for Simugan. One of the players for Inter Barangay from Barangay 175. Sid Fuego. Guard to guard defense. Pass to Montes. Montes on the moves. It's a traveling violation para kay Montes. Official score is 7-6. Angat sa isang kalamangan ng AJ Funeral. Patente. First team foul. Patente. Looking for that guy. Long to Simugan. Simugan on the move. Here comes Sinfuego. Guarded by Simugan. Puts it up. Foul! Counted! Gets the basket. Make a sound foul. Substitution. Substitution. Alpiar second personal foul. Bonus attempt for Sinfuego. That's good. Alpiar, pass to Patente. Sa tres. No good. Ito naman ang AJ Junior. Here comes that guy, Montes. Didiscarte on the moves. Foul. Foul for jersey number 27, Patente. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Montes, back to Sivan. Perimeter jump, no good. Brodsera, di nga lang ubra, power rebound para kay Sival. Here comes Montes. Looking foul for jersey number 8, magbitang penalty. Substitution. Bitang first personal foul. Penalty. First attempt for Montes. That's good. Maagang na control ang kaning ng Maltese. Ikalawang muslo. Pasok pa rin. 2 of 2. Here comes Alpiar. Pass to Perez. Kicks it out. No good. Tapikan na Barrientos. Good recover. Sundutan ni Sivan. Here comes the blue shirt. Jersey number 2 on the moves. Here comes Basilio. Stop and knock. That's good for Basilio. Simugan. On the drive. Looking for Barrientos. Back to Simugan. 15 seconds to shoot. Alpiar on the moves. That's good for Alpiar. Official score is 14-8. Ang asahan ng mga kalamangan ng mga naka-asul. Here comes Montes. Pass to Sivan. Looking for Sinfuego. Back to Sivan. To Montes. 2 points for Montes. Ito na muling kumpanan ng holdings. Alpiar. Dribbling the ball. Set the play. Alpiar. Didiscarte. On the drive. Looking for Perez. Mid-range jump, that's good for Perez. Here comes the agent general. Sinfuego. Sa ilalim, puta tangin abot niya Barrientos. Here comes Alpiar, pass to Simugan, nasundutan. Bola mapupunta para kay Sinfuego. Jersey number 5, Montes. Here comes Perez. 2 on the situation, on the moves. Too strong. Here comes that guy, sidestep and move. Ganda ng ulo kay Sival. That's good for Sival. Simugan all the way. That's good. 2 points for Simugan. Jersey number 2 para sa panik ng AJ Funeral. To Basilio, perimeter jump, too strong. Sa kanya pa rin sa ilalim. Looking for Montes. Hindi pa rin umra na ako ni Perez. Pass to Simugan. Simugan on the moves. Wow! substitution.
Wala, Jay, wala.
2 shots for jersey number 10, Simugan. First attempt, that's good.
Timaw.
Ikalawang pusto for Simugan. Substitution. Nyemain Simugan. Official time, last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. The official score is 18-14. Montes. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Nieva. Montes. Basilio mid-range jump. Stealing out. Here comes that guy. Now for jersey number 15, Serrano. Penalty. Serrano first personal foul. Penalty. Two shots for jersey number 18, Basilio. First attempt. That's good. Ikalawang gusto for Basilio. Tapas kaya. Pasok pa rin, 2-2. Angat sa anim ang kalamangan ng AJ Funeral. Here comes that guy, Alpiar. For 3, no good. Takpikan ng bola, good recover. Perez. Single. 14 seconds to shoot. Nieva, wide open 3. Bam! Rebounds para kay Nieva. Kapasok at gawin na ako 20-17. Here comes that guy. 10 seconds to shoot for Sinfuego. Salong 3. No good. Here comes Perez. Pass to Albiar. To Nieva. Out of bounds. Substitution. Guard to guard defense. Montes looking for Basilio. The jersey number 22 puts it up. That's good for jersey number 22. Ito na panig na holding snap. 1 minuto eksakto. Pass to Nieva. Back to Nablo. Nablo di diskarte. Please spot rep. Now for jersey number 2. Seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. Nablo, may taman. Didiskarte, pass to Serrano. 8 to shoot. To Nieva. 5 to shoot. For 3. Doesn't work. Rebound for Basilio. To Montes. Pass to Basilio. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Montes on the moves. 10 to shoot. No good. Last 15 seconds. Here comes Nieva. On the way. That's good for Nieva. Last 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang po inyong maririnig. Offensive foul. Offensive foul for jersey number 18, Basilio. Last 1.5 seconds. First personal foul. Ball possession for all teams. Nieva on the ball, pass to Nablo. Nablo isolation move, back to Nieva, wide open 3. Shoot. Here comes that guy. Ito na panig ng AJ Funeral, jersey number 11. Pass to Montes. To Basilio, mid-range jump, no good. Power rebound for Serrano. Pass to Nieva. Nieva on the moves. That's good for Nieva. Labas sa isang kalamangan, 22-21. Here comes Basilio for 3. No good. Here comes Nablo. Pass to Nieva. Ball. Counted. Gets the basket. May kasampan foul. Substitution. Basilio, jersey number 27, first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus attempt for Nieva. That's good. Here comes Kalumpang, guarded by Nieva. Pass to Montes. Satres susubok. Voila! 3 points. Here comes Nablo. On the moves. He's stepping on the line si Nieva. The official score is 25-24. Nanatili pa rin sa AJ Funeral ng Kalamangan. 1 point lead. Here comes Kalumpang. Guarded by Nieva. Jersey number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. That's good for jersey number 22. Nablo, pass to Serrano. Serrano on the attack. No good. Serrano pa rin sa ilalim. 10 to shoot. Pass to Nieva. Nieva on the moves. 5 to shoot. To Serrano, 2 points for Serrano. Kalumpang, pass to Montes. Montes, guarded by Nieva. Kalumpang, back to Montes, single. 10 seconds to shoot. Here comes Kalumpang. To Montes, to jersey number 26. To the shoot. That's good. Basket for jersey number 28, Kalumpang. Here comes Serrano on the moves. Foul. Jersey number 5. Two shots for jersey number 15, Serrano. First attempt, that's good. Ikalawang muslo for jersey number 15. number 5 na block, first personal foul, first team foul. Oras natin, 60 minutes and 50 seconds, time remaining para sa ating first half. Sibal inbound the ball, pass to Kalumpang, back to Sibal. Looking for Montes for 3, short, kapigan, hindi nagkaintindihan yung mag-urol. Miscommunication for Nieva. Here comes that guy, Sibal on the moves, extra pass, Kalumpang, didiskarte. Doesn't work, kapigan na bola, power rebound for Abarientos. Pass to Nablo. That's the jersey number 11. Nieva for 3, short. Kapigan na bola, rebound for Quezon. Pass to Nablo. 20 shoot. Nablo, back to Nieva. Nieva, isolation move, extra pass. Ito na panic ng mga nakasunod ng Sibal. Looking for Kalumpang, puts it up. Doesn't work. Here comes Nieva. Pass to Nablo. Other shot, no good. Look ahead. Nieva for 3. No good. Here comes Nieva sa ilalim, jersey number 13. Hindi nga lang Cobra. Ito na panic ng AJ Funeral. Sibal, may tangan. Sibal, attacking the basket. Pinawag foul, Nablo. Substitution. Second personal foul, second team foul. Intense ang atmosphere para sa ating Brixton Covered Court Arena. Here comes that guy, Basilio. Pass to Montes. Montes on the moves, nasubukan. Here comes Patente. Pass to Albion. Traveling violation for Jason number 9. 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Here comes Kalumpang. Pass to Montes, back to Kalumpang. Here comes that guy, Sibal. Now for jersey number 15, he's on. First personal foul, third team foul. Looking for the pass, puts it up. That's good. Official score is 31-29 in favor of AJ Funeral. Here comes Nieva, pass to Albion, looking for Patente. Patente to Nieva, is stepping on the line. Nakapakan yung patibong. Kalumpang may tangan. Looking for that guy. Basilio puts it up. No good. Power rebound for Quezon. Pass to Albion. To Nieva. Stop and down. Bam! Nieva rebound. Change favor. 32-31. 1 point lead para sa panig ng Olympics. Here comes Sibal. 15 seconds to shoot. Sibal, looking for that guy, 10 to shoot. Kalumpang, side step and move. That's good for jersey number 11. Balik na naman sa AJ Funeral ng Malamangan. Here comes Albion. Nieva sa long 3. Back-to-back 2 points para kay Nieva. Home court advantage. 35-33. Here comes Sibal. To Kalumpang. The jersey number 18 doesn't work. Quezon. Substitution. Quezon second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. seconds to shoot for Sivan. 10 to shoot. Puts it up. No good. Here comes Patente. Secures the ball. Patente. Pass to Albiol. To Nieva. Nieva on the moves. That's good for Nieva. Angat sa apat ang kalamangan 37 to 33. Sivan to Sinfuego. Looking for that guy. Back to Sinfuego. 8 to shoot. 4-3. Bam! It's pace of the night. De Patente. Looking for that guy. There's the number 18 to Nieva. Nieva on the moves. That's good for Nieva. One of the rising star for Barangay 175. Wearing jersey number 4, Nieva. 2 minutes exactly. Sinfuego. Guarded by Nieva. Guard to guard defense. 10 to shoot. Montes. Mid-range jump. Airball. Here comes LBR, nagpapaba ng bola para sa panig ng Odins. Here comes Quezon. To Wong. Wong to Nieva. Nieva. In and out. Here comes Patente. That's good for Patente. Official score is 41 to 36. Angat sa limang malamangan. Basilio. Pass to Sinfuego. 15 seconds to shoot. To Sivan for 3. Bam! 3 points para kay Sivan. Papasa dalawa ang kalamangan. 41 to 39. Nieva on the move sa isolation. Hinga ng Rubra. Here comes that guy, Sinfuego. Sinfuego, guarded by Nieva. Pass to Montes. To Sinfuego. Sacres. Too strong. Last 30 seconds. Albiar on the moves to Patente. No good. Tapikan. Recover for Nieva. Sacres. Doesn't work. Last 25 seconds. Sivan. Penalty red, penalty. Who's fouled up? Foul for jersey number 15, Quezon. Third personal foul penalty. Pangatlong pananakit. Penalty. 2 shots for Sivan. First attempt as a third. Second attempt for Sivan. All this. Seconds. Albiar, may tangan. Looking for Simugan. Tuwong. Foul. Montes. Last 12 seconds. Jump ball. Ball possession. ball. Pass to Sinfuego. Back to Basilio. To Montes, to Siban. Last 5 seconds. That's good for Siban. Simugan inbound the ball. Pass to Nieva. Nieva didiscarte. Looking for a Barrientos. Back to Nieva. Nieva on the move sa ilalim. Nasundutan. Here comes Sinfuego. Pero minaho ang foul for jersey number 14. Nieva. That is first personal foul, first team foul for jersey number 14. Nieva. Here comes jersey number 2. It is captain to Montes. That's good for Montes. Yaling naman ang lumot nun. Better na smooth. Here comes Patente. Back to Nieva. Looking for that guy. Nieva. That's good for Nieva. The Nieva's connection. Balik na naman sa isang kalamangan. 44 to 42. Sinfuego dribbling the ball, set the play. Guarded by Simugan, looking for Basilio. The jersey number 2, Salong 2. No good. Rebound for Abarientos. Pass to Patente. Patente didiscarte. Simugan, 2 points for Simugan. Ito na ako pala ng AJ Funeral. Jersey number 2, may tama. Montes. Pass to Sinfuego. Sinfuego on the moves. Tingnan ang obra. Rebound for Patente. Pass to Nieva. Nieva. Simugan. Right open 3. No good. Here comes jersey number 22. Pass to Montes. To Sinfuego. Pass to Basilio. Jersey number 27, Patente. Second personal foul, second team foul. Second personal foul, Patente. Sinfuego. Pass to Montes. Montes. Passing with Simugan. On the drive. That's good for Montes. Here comes Nieva. Ganda ng pasa. Nasundan ng single. Official score is 46 to 45. 1 point lead for AJ Funeral. 19 seconds to shoot. Nieva. Pass to Nieva. To Barrientos. 15 to shoot. Pass to Simugan. That's good for Simugan. Balik sa holding sa kalamangan. 47 to 46. Montes. Guarded by Simugan, Nasundutan, single. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Here comes that guy, Montes, on the drive, on the moves. Ball. Number 28, Abarientos, first personal foul. Third team foul. First attempt for Montes. Doesn't work. Ikalawang buslo. Wala pa rin, no? Ito na panik ng audience, Nieva. Patente. To Nieva. Nieva on the moves. That's good for Nieva. The rising star from Barangay 175. Here comes Sinfuego. Didiscarte. Sinfuego. Looking for that guy. Basilio on the move sa ilalim. Offensive foul for jersey number 18. Second personal foul for Basilio. Oras natin 60 minutes and 23 seconds exactly. Patente sa long 3. Too strong. Montes secures the ball. Montes on the drive. That's good for Montes. Here comes Simugan. Looking for Neva. Teardrop. That's good for Neva. Arangkada sa tatlong kalamangan ng holdings. 51-48. Montes set the play. Guarded by Simugan. Offensive foul for Montes. Jersey number 2 Montes, second personal foul. Simugan. Back to Neva. Neva at Marientos. Back to Neva. What the play, that's good. AJ Funeral, official score is 53-48. Sinfuego, nagpababa ng bola para sa kanyang kupunan. Sinfuego, reflect the ball. Kapalumpang, time to shoot. To Sinfuego, time to shoot. Kalumpang for 3. No good. Here comes Patente to Simugan. 2 points for Simugan. Ito na ako pa ng Indian Funeral. Sinfuego, salong 3. No good. Rebound for Patente. Pass to Simugan. Now it's pass to Nieva. Traveling violation for Nieva. Substitution rep. Sinfuego may daman. Looking for that guy, Kalumpang. Pass to Montes. Pop. Now for jersey number 18, Wong. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Kung sino man daw po yung merong motor doon sa may harapan ng gate ng eskwelahan, mawalang galang na po, pakigilid po natin, may papasok daw po. Salamat po. Here comes that guy. For all things, tapikan. Timeout, AJ Funeral. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng AJ Funeral. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng AJ Funeral. All things tatlo pa. Simugan, pass to Patente. Satres, no good. Here comes Siban. Pass to Montes. To Sinfuego for 3. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. Last touch for Nieva. Sing ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Victor. Kay Victor. Here comes Patente. Pass to Nieva. Nieva for 3. Short. Tapikan. Good recover for Nieva. Nieva on the move. Steer drop. No good. jersey number 16, Sinfuego, and jersey number 4, Nieva. 14 rather. Paalala po, bench possession po tayo. Bench possession. Penalty rep.
Hey, wala penalty, double foul.
Double foul, double foul, double foul. Official score is 55 to 50. 5-point lead for Team Holdings. Here comes Montes. Jersey number 5. Didiscarte on the moves. Foul. Substitution. One third personal foul. Who's on there? One technical intro. Basket. Two shots for regular foul. First attempt. No good. Last and final attempt for jersey number 5. That's good.
Coach, paso yun po ng bench. Salamat po.
Here comes Nieva. Pass to Simugan. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Simugan for 3. Doesn't work. Rebound for Wong. Wong. Pass to Nieva. Nieva on the moves. That's good for Nieva. At na panik ng AJ General. Sinfuego. Looking for that guy. Sibal. To Kalumpang. That's good for Kalumpang. The silent killer. Here comes Nieva. Dribbling the ball. Pampas sa kanyang bukol. 15 seconds to shoot. Nieva on the moves. Tumampita. Mid-range jump. No good. Here comes Montes. Pass to Sibal. Sibal on the drive. Nawala ang bola. Here comes Simugan against Sinfuego. On the drive, on the moves. No good. Here comes the blue shirt, Montes. Papasabit. Now. Jersey number 8, Magpita. Second personal foul. Penalty. Magpita, second personal foul. Penalty. First attempt, basket for Montes. Second attempt. Wala pa rin. Rebound for ball. Pass to Nieva. Nieva, didiskarte. Looking for Simugan. Simugan. Pass to Wong sa ilalim. Substitution. Substitution. Now for jersey number 11. Montes, second personal foul, jersey number 11. First attempt for Wong. No good. Ikalawang gusto para kay Wong para mayangat tatlo ang kalamangan. Basket! 3-point lead para sa panig ng Olympics. Sin Fuego. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Nieva. Pass to Sivan. To Kalumpang. Mid-range jump. That's good for Kalumpang. Tabasa isang kalamangan 58 to 57. Here comes Sandior. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Nieva. Nieva. 12 yard. Sumagita. Time to shoot. Nasundutan. Foul. Perez.
Kinukul niyo yung video, ma'am.
First attempt for Sivan. That's good. Second attempt. Pasok pa rin. Sing ball. Retain possession. Boss. Taas tayo po ng bench. Sin Fuego, looking for that guy. The jersey number 11, pass to Sivan. Sivan, didiskarte. 2 points for jersey number 11, Montes. Nieva. Sakres. Seconds para sa ating third quarter. Sin Fuego, may tama ng bola. Sin Fuego. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 15 seconds. Head to shoot. No good. Rebound for Magbitang. Last 5 seconds. Jersey number 28. Warning for penalty. Last 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang po inyong maririnig. to Nieva. Pass to Barrientos. To Alviar, 4-3. No good. Here comes that guy. Siban, pass to Sinfuego. Sinfuego, guarded by Nieva. To Basilio, puts it up. That's good for Basilio. Angat sa tatlong kalamangan, 63-60. Patente. Pass to Nieva. Angat, no good. Tapikan. Pero may nakuha ang foul for jersey number 18. Basilio. Third personal foul, first team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. For Alves. Here comes Patente. Pass to Nieva. To Alviar. Time to shoot. To Patente. To Barrientos. No good. Here comes Patente. For the putback, wala pa rin. Here comes that guy. Basilio. On the moves. Foul. Foul for jersey number 14. Nieva. Third personal foul. First team foul. Kuya, pass mo yun naman. Seconds to shoot. Montes inbound the ball. Pass to Siban. Siban for 2. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. Good recover. Siban pa rin. On the moves. Pass to Basilio. 2 points para kay Basilio. Here comes Alviar. Official score is 65-60. Patente, Diviscarte on the moves. Bruta tangin naman kay Siban. Abarientos, 2 points. Ito na ang kapuna ng Indian Funeral. Sinfuego may taman. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Basilio. The jersey number 22, mid-range jumper, no good. Rebound for Barrientos, pass to Nieva all the way. That's good for Nieva. Tamas na isang kalamangan, 65-64. Here comes the pressure defense coming from the Oldies. Siban, Diviscarte on the moves. That's good for Siban. Here comes Alviar. Pass to Nieva sa ilalim against Sinfuego. Back to Alviar. To Nieva. 4-3. Short. Tapikan. Ball possession for Sinfuego, may tangan ng bola. Ball possession for Oldies. Last 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Patente, susubok sa 3. Short. Rebound for Sinfuego. Pass to Basilio. Basilio on the drive, on the moves. Foul. Number 27. Wilmar Patente. Oviedo. Patente. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warning for graduate. Second team foul. Here comes Montes. 10 seconds to shoot. Puts it up. That's good for jersey number 20. Last 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Nieva, stop Basilio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warning for graduate. Second team foul. Three shots for Neva. First attempt. No good. Dalawang gusto para kay Neva. Pasok ang pangalawa. Third and last attempt for Neva. Substitution. 2 of 3 for jersey number 4, Neva. Last 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Here comes Sibal. Nagbababa ng bola. Sibal dribbling the ball. Set the play. Pass to Basilio. 10 seconds to shoot. Montes. Pass to Basilio. 5 to shoot. In and out. Tapikan. Rebound for Abarientos. To Simugan. Pass to Serrano. Tataka! Lock of the game. 18 seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. Alviar inbound the ball. Pass to Neva. To Simugan. 10 to shoot. Neva for 3. Last 5 minutes and 32 seconds. It's Akay Balon-Balunan. All 69. Here comes Sibal. 15 seconds to shoot. Sibal against Abarientos. 12 to shoot. Foul. Abarientos. Third personal foul. Third team foul. 13 seconds to shoot. Basilio inbound the ball. Pass to Sintuego, guarded by Neva. 10 to shoot. Sintuego for 3. For the lead, that's good. Algar to Simugan. Pass to Serrano. Serrano on the drive. Pero may sumabit. Jersey number 5. First attempt, basket for Serrano. Ikalawang buslo para may baba sa isang kalamangan. No good. Tapi ka ng bola, pero may nakuha ang foul. Warning for penalty. Serrano. Foul. Warning for penalty. Serrano, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Sibal on the moves. That's good for Sibal. Nasundutan, good recover. Basilio puts it up. That's good. Time out! AJ Funeral may isa pa. Funeral. Simugan, inbound the ball, pass to Albior. OJ Albior may tangan ng bola. Pass to Barrientos. Looking for that guy, Wong. Pero may nakuha ang foul for jersey number 5, Montes. Montes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Warning for graduate. Both teams warning for penalty. Albiar for 3. Bang! 2 points para kay Albiar. Ito na panik ng AJ Funeral. Montes, may tama ng bola. Guarded by Wong. Back to Montes. 10 to shoot. Basilio. That's good for Basilio. 78 to 73. Simugan. Pass to Wong. Ball possession para sa panig ng AJ Funeral. Montes. Pass to Basilio. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 22 against Wong. Foul for jersey number 28, Abarientos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warning for graduate penalty. Penalty. Penalty, red, penalty, penalty. Penalty. Pakiusap lang po, bench ng AJ Funeral. Pasuyo na lang po ulit. First attempt, that's good. Both teams bench warning for technical for bench decorum. Both teams bench warning for technical for bench decorum. Both teams. Last 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Last attempt for jersey number 22. That's good, 12-2. Wong in on the ball. Pass to Albior. Pass to Sinugan. Back to Albior. Albior guarded by Sinfuego. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Penalty. Both teams penalty. Rep, both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. Foul for number 16, Sinfuego. Third personal foul. Both teams penalty. First attempt. Doesn't work for Mr. OJ Albior. Ikalawang buslo for jersey number 9. Substitution. Here comes Sinfuego. Sinfuego. 15 seconds to shoot. Sing ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Paalala po, both teams penalty. Basilio inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 22. 10 to shoot. Sinfuego. 5 to shoot. 2 points, Sinfuego. Last 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Albiar for 3. No good. Here comes Sinfuego. Basilio may tangan. Pass to Montes. Hard to shoot. Hard to shoot. 4-3. No good. Happy gun. Here comes that guy. Last 2 points. Basilio. Neva for 3. Bam! Here comes Montes. Pass to Basilio. 15 seconds to shoot. To Montes, 10 to shoot. Basilio, no good. Tapikan, Basilio pa rin. To Montes. Another 10 seconds to shoot. Puts it up and that's good. Nieva. 2 points for Nieva. Montes may tangan. Baba sa 7 kalamangan. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Montes, no good. Rebound for Abarientos. Last 1 minute exactly. Nasundutan. Here comes Nieva. Termina kung foul for jersey number 16. Sin Fuego. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warning for graduate. Paalala po, both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. Sin Fuego, warning for graduate. Both teams penalty. Last 56.5 seconds. Paalala po, both teams penalty.
Oh, bawiin mo, Sing! Bawiin mo! Sing, bawiin mo dito mo! Sing, bawiin mo na! Bawiin mo na! Ang bawiin mo eh! Bawiin mo na, Sing! Sing mo lang pa!
First attempt for Nieva, no good.
Bago pilasan mo na inatak niya na! May foul! May foul na nga! Kala ko wala eh! Tayo mo nagugulo ka! Para kayo mga bago eh!
Second attempt. No good. Rebound for Wong. Wow. Who's fouled it up?
Tatanong ka na konsul eh!
Number 5. Montes, number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Happy graduate. Two free throw for Wong. First attempt, no good. Ikalawang gusto para may baba sa 6 ang kalamangan. No good. Last 50 seconds. Abarientos doesn't work. Here comes Mansale. Last 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 30 seconds. Basilio. 5 to shoot. Offensive foul. Rep. Basilio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Happy graduate. Last 26 seconds. Uwi ng trofeo para sa ating kampeonato ng Junior Division.